How often have you encountered disapproving glances at your breakfast toast, accompanied by the all-too-familiar comment, "You shouldn't eat that"? Bread doesn't have to be off-limits for individuals with diabetes, provided you choose wisely and monitor your portion sizes. Exploring the vast array of bread options can be daunting, especially for individuals managing diabetes. Making informed choices about which bread to include in your diet is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Let's delve into the world of bread and discover the best options for diabetes management. Before we delve into the bread varieties suitable for diabetes, it's essential to understand how different types of bread can affect blood sugar levels. Refined carbohydrates, sugars, and high glycemic index breads can lead to abrupt spikes in blood sugar levels, while whole grains and low-carb options offer more stable energy. Examining the nutrition labels on packaged bread is crucial for various reasons. 1. Fiber. Individuals managing diabetes should opt for high-fiber bread, ideally containing at least 3 grams of fiber per slice. These may provide a substantial amount of fiber, leading to enhanced glycemic response. 2. Tracking carbohydrates and calories. When choosing between 2 slices of bread, consider selecting type that contains 15 grams of carbohydrates or less, and no more than 100 calories per slice. Should the bread have a higher carbohydrate and calorie content, consider using only 1 slice to create an open-faced sandwich, substituting the second slice with a romaine lettuce leaf or another vegetable to serve as the top layer. Now, let's explore the top bread choices for managing diabetes. Number 1 on our list is rye bread. Rye bread is an excellent choice for individuals managing diabetes. It aids in regulating blood sugar levels. It has a lower sugar spike compared to white bread. Rye bread also keeps you feeling full for longer, thanks to its fiber content, which is suitable for managing weight. It's packed with essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals for overall health. Eating rye bread regularly may also help your body use insulin better, essential for managing diabetes. It's satisfying, so you're less likely to snack too much between meals, which can keep your blood sugar levels stable. Opting for whole grain rye bread is the preferred choice because it has more nutrients. Adding rye bread to your meals can be a tasty way to help maintain stable blood sugar levels and enhance overall well-being if you have diabetes. Number 2, whole grain bread. Whole grain breads like whole wheat, whole oats, and whole rye are excellent choices for people managing diabetes. These breads are made from whole grains, meaning they encompass all components of the grain, comprising the bran, germ, and endosperm. This results in them being rich in fiber. Essential nutrients, such as fiber, contribute significantly to overall health. Fiber is particularly vital in managing diabetes, as it means that it makes the body process carbohydrates more slowly, thereby reducing the risk of sudden increases in blood sugar levels. After meals, it promotes more stable energy levels throughout the day. Additionally, fiber helps you feel full for more extended periods, reducing the likelihood of overeating and aiding in weight management, a key aspect of diabetes care. Whole grain breads also provide essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, contributing to overall health and well-being. These nutrients support various bodily functions and help keep the immune system strong, which is crucial for individuals with diabetes. Number 3, sprouted grain bread. Sprouted grain breads are a nutritional powerhouse, particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Unlike traditional bread made from refined grains, sprouted grain breads are crafted from grains. The grains are permitted to sprout or germinate before they are ground into flour. This unique process enhances nutrient absorption and bioavailability, making the nutrients more easily digestible and usable by the body. One of the main advantages of sprouted grain breads for diabetes management is their lower glycemic index, GI. The sprouting process breaks down some of the starches into simpler sugars, resulting in bread with a lower GI. This means that sprouted grain breads result in a more gradual and consistent increase in blood sugar levels after consumption, promoting more stable blood sugar control, a critical aspect of diabetes management. Additionally, sprouted grain breads retain more natural fiber content than refined breads, further aiding in blood sugar regulation and promoting feelings of fullness and satiety. One of the best sprouted breads is Ezekiel bread, a kind of bread made from sprouted grains, made from a blend of organic sprouted whole grains and legumes, including wheat, barley, millet, lentils, soybeans, and spelled. The grains are allowed to grow before being ground into flour and baked into bread. This process increases the bioavailability of nutrients and enhances digestibility. Ezekiel bread is known for its dense texture, nutty flavor, and rich nutritional profile. It's favored by health-conscious people because of its high protein, fiber, and nutrient content, making it a nutritious addition to a balanced diet. Number 4. Sourdough bread. Sourdough bread, celebrated for its tangy flavor and chewy texture, offers numerous health benefits, especially for individuals managing diabetes. This fermentation process results in bread with a lower glycemic index than conventional bread. Moreover, the fermentation process also enhances the digestibility of sourdough bread, making it gentler on the digestive system. This may be especially advantageous for people with diabetes. As digestive issues are common in this population for diabetes health benefits, opt for whole grain sourdough varieties. Whole grains comprise the bran, germ, and endosperm of the grain, which is abundant in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Choosing whole grain sourdough bread ensures that you get the most nutritional value from your bread, supporting overall health and well-being. Number 5. Pumpernickel bread. Pumpernickel bread is a dense, dark bread made from whole grain rye flour, distinguishing it from lighter rye bread varieties. Its distinctive flavor profile, characterized by a rich, earthy taste, makes it a favorite among bread enthusiasts. Beyond its delicious taste, pumpernickel bread boasts a low glycemic index, meaning it results in a more gradual and steady elevation of blood sugar levels after consumption. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar effectively, particularly those with diabetes. By incorporating pumpernickel bread into your diet, its satisfying texture and robust flavor while promoting stable blood sugar control. Its whole grain rye flour base also provides essential nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and minerals, further enhancing its nutritional value. Whether enjoyed on its own or as part of a sandwich or toast, pumpernickel bread offers a delicious and health-conscious option for those seeking balanced blood sugar levels and overall well-being. Number 6. Flaxseed bread. Flaxseed bread is a type of bread made with ground flax seeds, renowned for its potential health benefits, abundant in fiber, encompassing both soluble and insoluble types. Flax seeds help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. Moreover, flax seeds are a significant source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid linked with improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammation, beneficial for individuals with diabetes. With a lower glycemic index than bread made from refined flaxseed bread, causes a gradual increase in blood sugar levels after consumption. Additionally, flax seeds boast a diverse nutrient profile, containing key vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health and well-being. Incorporating flaxseed bread into a balanced diet offers a convenient way to reap the benefits of flax seeds, contributing to stable blood sugar control and better diabetes management. Consulting with healthcare professionals for personalized dietary guidance is recommended for optimal diabetes care. Number 7. Oat bread. Oat bread, made primarily from oat flour or a blend of oat flour and other grains, is a beneficial choice for individuals managing diabetes. Its low glycemic index ensures a gradual increase in diabetes levels, promoting stable glucose control. High in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, oat bread slows glucose absorption, aiding blood sugar regulation and fostering feelings of fullness crucial for weight management, a significant factor in diabetes care. Furthermore, oat bread's rich nutrient profile, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supports overall health and reduces the likelihood of heart disease, a prevalent complication of diabetes. Notably, oat bread's cholesterol-lowering properties on diabetes cardiovascular health. Its versatility allows for various meal options, from sandwiches to toast, accommodating diverse dietary preferences. Integrating oat bread into a balanced diet enhances diabetes management. Studies have also shown that incorporating oats into your diet can improve glycemic management and lower the likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 8. Almond flour bread. Almond flour bread, crafted from finely ground almonds, presents a promising option for individuals managing diabetes. Its notable benefits stem from its low-carb, gluten-free diabetes and nutrient-rich profile. Having a glycemic index lower than that of traditional wheat bread, Almond flour bread facilitates a gradual rise in blood sugar levels, aiding blood sugar control and preventing sudden spikes. Furthermore, almonds are rich in healthy fats and dietary fiber, along with vital nutrients such as vitamin E and magnesium, all of which support overall health and well-being, particularly relevant to diabetes management. The elevated fiber content aids in enhancing digestion and satiety, potentially assisting in weight management, an essential aspect of diabetes care. Moreover, almond flour bread serves as a safe choice available to those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, common conditions in those with diabetes. Now, what type of bread is the best choice? Ultimately, the optimal choice varies based on your dietary preferences, nutritional needs, and health considerations. Whole grain bread may be the better option if you prioritize fiber intake and prefer a traditional bread taste. However, if you follow a gluten-free diet, are looking for a lower carb option, or seek the potential benefits of healthy fats from almonds, almond flour bread could be a suitable alternative. It's essential to consider your overall dietary balance, seeking guidance and advice from a healthcare provider or nutritionist for further clarification and consultation guidance according to your specific health requirements. Thank you for joining us as we explored the best bread options for diabetes. If you found this information helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel for additional informative content on diabetes. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.